Nienti a President Kufuor ntimi am fighting. May I blame Mahama? Mahama na MPP for ntimi President Kufuor ntimi am fighting Galamsey. Bisam say ntimi na make sa President Kufuor e ka say o put the presidency on the line. But all you know, all gather no na Mahama so hwete because 2020 ye na e won akwakubuan and Dr. Tony Obin. It is clear Dr. Tony Obin cannot deny. Omuko mining site eko ka che miners ne say Galamsey for say omo di soldier for anyway ba be pampam ti montomai ye ba be muti say President Mahama wuni pe 9 December mumra na musa me Galamsey no Dr. Tony Obin e kan President Mahama na akwa san ka say Galamsey for omo ayachichi omo because of Galamsey a ye di omo kogu prison oba obemo presidential pardon, and this thing was used against MPP for Emma areas bia na MPP omulusu election da omulusu ebisa pardon cha west omulusu all those Galamsey areas no enti say ne ya 2021 2022 2023 aka 3 months na ubeti yesi bibi di media coalition for Galamsey one civil society for Galamsey one for Galamsey omu nyina omu yenya atwom.
Abusunya Galamsey ko ayo ko man Ghana ejina ko ne denden a akaka krama ya to abaidi mu apagya ye denden pa a eja egu abai ne chi ma dodo na twere mo se de cha abai ne se ne nsuo no sei no so bibi a ne mreti ya we ya kai na onhwen fa nam so kra ma mabnu bi e demonstration a hwehwe so ma a police for kra a chi binum akwa koguma wo mo press e mo mo dola ni nyina akwakoda ne sense me bi kra twere se esan se akaka krama ya to aba na nsem we nyina ekosonti no politicians ni bi ehye mabunu ye kokoye demonstration no echi na omode yesa se na ebeye na MPP abeye wotusu ebe sei ni din na amanfo na timi ejina so ede ato aba no ede etia no na nipa ba kon so de na no ato ensemi mu bi ene the blind Bulgarian nim se eba ne history dia abranti oya ade yie pa na ono na oma Ghana history bebi Galamsey no efri ba ene bebi akwakodu ene nipa washa Galamsey no asiya eno nti NPP4 entimi anko Galamsey no ama Galamsey no enfi ho na munche mu no de bae no eno na Ghana for ahodwiri ye pa me de eba besomo ansa na bekwa ko video no me kai wo sa ha yetu maji subscribe my page we se wonya ya afi wa wie ni sa no no emia adoma no so se na be ya upload bi ebebe a onsa ebetimi aka ebusuya ma yenko ne kokoti se na blind Bulgarian ode ne nsem no esitu dwafai
Nienti a President Kufuor ntimi am fighting. May I blame Mahama na MPP for ntimi President Kufuor ntimi am fighting Galamsey. Bisam say ntimi na make sa President Kufuor e ka say o put the presidency on the line. But all you know, all gather no na Mahama so hwete because 2020 ye na e won akwakubuan and Dr. Tony Obin. It is clear Dr. Tony Obin cannot deny. Omuko mining site eko ka che miners ne say Galamsey for say omo di soldier for anyway ba be pampam ti montomai ye ba be muti say President Mahama wuni pe 9 December mumra na musa me Galamsey no Dr. Tony Obin e kan President Mahama na akwa san ka say Galamsey for omo ayachichi omo because of Galamsey a ye di omo kogu prison oba obemo presidential pardon, and this thing was used against MPP for Emma areas bia na MPP omulusu election da omulusu ebisa pardon cha west omulusu all those Galamsey areas no enti say ne ya 2021 2022 2023 aka 3 months na ubeti yesi bibi di media coalition for Galamsey one civil society for Galamsey one for Galamsey omu nyina omu yenya atwom and afekwa de akwa kodu say utaka Galamsey mfa mu yeni say bia mu book on research allowance bia ma ana say bia niam bi na mu ntiase wo ade na mu yeni ma na mu ko strike mu say afede after September month hwea mu be ko strike nina is much ado about nothing a hatred ankophobia ewo against this current government and omo dey ade na omo ye no enye akomapa bia na omo wo say omo be fight Galamsey, but it's because they just want to use niam bi to fight this government enti no mo yes ade because sekay akuma papa enka enye na se mo start ade we ka se di dada na mo start
okun me kai se omo sha ase bi no omo san eja
na no mo ti dai tell mo okay what did they say when President Mahama was all over condemning this government for fighting Galamsey? I didn't hear Dr. Kenashigbe condemning President Mahama. I didn't hear media, whatever for Galamsey condemning President Mahama. I didn't hear civil society or UTAC, whatever, condemning President Mahama for say fight at the end. No, so gather na all hitting. Nobody seems to condemn him. But even and Galamsey,
if former sorry Cassetia Galamsey no okay in your submission no, or say because of Galamsey fight, MPP lost in certain areas.
Yes.
Yes. Now the battle is on against Galamsey, and you are telling me say NDC is behind from your submission. That is what I can deduce. Say they are behind this fight against Galamsey. Then indirectly you are telling me NDC is going to lose in areas that the MPP fought Galamsey and lost.
No, NDC for now. The NDC is cleverly. NDC no more Accra. I want your count. And no could do Galamsey communities. No, so I want your Mosaka. NDC is not a truthful political party. Me catch your plane. Me can mean say I'm for be but me I don't care. Me say no I'm for me anti. Me not skin. Me develop skin to stand insult. NDC the most dishonest political party on earth. Not even in Ghana, on earth. NDC, we are seeing now the most dishonest political party on earth. NDC. Omu Accra on Yomuka.
You say electoral commission should have disqualified.
Now, even him say they been dinner or at least one say over contested bibisa. Say yenya hint no. One say chair that say why did da kofa foreign Accra be na Accra be SMP. Ni na idea or they yet to get the attention.
Yeah.
What you say. But even why anti me say enya say down on ambitie. Me ame jin adukwe me san obubodi na omu nyina mete dwotrum berima na ho ya ka me tie din ni da nti sankofo nyina timi file omu form etimi file wie na Bernard Mona entimi am file the forms and wie dia then Bernard you are a disgrace, you are a big disgrace. Bernard, you are a disgrace, you are a big disgrace. I'll stop saying this now. PNC party kakaka like PNC Edward Nasigri ambassador at large Mahama numina bedi David Pasara numina na montimi PNC PNC party ya wanya 3 seats parliament now 2000 PNC no more 3 seats 2004 umunya 4 seats parliament 2008 umunya 2 2015 2012 okona enukwa 2012 umunya 1 alasa na zone 2012 umunya 1 2016 na PNC enya seat bia parliament na montimi am file mo form with an experience, someone who has been the national youth organizer, who has been the general secretary, the acting national chairman, who has spoken on radio for 24 years, now also per president, who couldn't even fill your phone. Bernard, you are a disgrace.
The numbers are not out. Currently, number 1 or number 2 or number 3 or number 4 Abra, what's in number placement? No? What went through your mind?
Oh, maybe numbers no there me back of it doesn't matter, but politics no obibia adie bi how betimi dia ajeche ho betimi dia propaganda now dia ye wa adie, but I don't think say numbers really matter. Number bia obenya bia e betimi win election 2004 president before the number 2 and winning no call the second term or number 2 the winning ye papa John Dramani Mahama over the first time 2012 no or the number 1 and winning 2020
Entebusia yebra penin blind Bulgarian and yakwakuti senia or also edin nsem no ababetu dwa edifa Galamsey no hu emfa hu senia Galamsey queen aben so ediama o my Ghana man penin fo bebredi o mano atum journalist bebredi o mano atum Captain Smart kra aka ho asem no o kyerese se epesobo bi ede abobi na ye probi so de sobo abono de a ene ne fa nkobo NDC abai fi se wono ena ehyekyere ama MPP abai entimi anko Galamsey no ebusuya sei ena ono esusu anase sei ena nagen ekyere no ma ye hu so de e wo comments no ase wa wie ne sa na to me subscribe button no so now the bell no so aka ho ba ne sa upload bi e bia ona ye first person na wo sabitimi aka okọ all the social media handles no so a e too much je hon so ya kai so be like na wa share e de ama me makra